Welcome to the channel. So I've been cleaning the garage out to make room for the next thing coming up with the Jeep. So I've got some radius rods from L&W Fab, and since I need to make some room, I'm gonna go ahead and install these, and I figured I'd make a how-to video. So let's get started. So on this exact model right here, which is the 1000 XP, we're gonna need a 18mm socket and wrench. So the first step, we're gonna put something in front of the front tire to keep it from rolling. So now with the tire removed, we can take our 18mm socket and wrench. We'll go ahead and take this bolt and that bolt, and we'll go ahead and remove this side of the radius rods. I'm going to do one side at a time, just make it a little bit easier. Okay, so now we got that out of the way. And just remember, on the back side of these bolts, there's a nut on the other side. Okay, so here is the new high clearance L&W Fab radius rods. These are aluminum, so as you can see, that's a lot bigger than the factory setup. So the kit comes with 3 different size spacers. You got the big spacer, which they say to put it on the back side. It's closer to the engine. So we'll go ahead and install that spacer right there. Then you take the medium size spacer and you put it on the other side. And the side by the wheels, you're going to use the 2 smaller spacers. All this is 4 bolts on each side. Okay, now that we got all the bolts in, I'll go ahead and tighten them down. So I got this side, I got everything bolted on and torqued to spec. The kit says to torque these bolts at 100 foot-pounds. It's pretty easy to install, just 4 bolts on each side. 4 bolts on the passenger side and 4 bolts on the driver's side. Alright, so let's get started with the driver's side. So it's the same step as the other side. You got that top bolt, and you got 1 for the bottom, and you got the 2 for the other side. Just remember, as long as we put a jack stand under it, we can always raise and lower the jack. So I got the radius rods on, everything torqued down. So hopefully these will be a lot better. I'd say they will be. They're a whole lot bigger than the factory ones. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.